Dialogue. This dialogue is between a woman and a Centrelink service officer. The woman has recently been made redundant and is seeking information about applying for the job seeker payment. The dialogue begins now. Good morning. Welcome to Centrelink. How can I help you today?
गत महिना काम गुमे जब सिकर भुक्तानी आवेदन गर्न चाहन्छु। 2 बच्चा र घर ऋण छ।
I'm sorry to hear about your situation. I need to check a few things. What was your last day of employment? Did you receive a redundancy or severance payment?
मार्च 15 अन्तिम दिन 4 हप्ताको विच्छेद र बाँकी वार्षिक बिदा पाए।
The redundancy payment will affect your waiting period. With 4 weeks redundancy, there will be a waiting period before payments start. However, it's important to apply straight away to start the clock running.
प्रतीक्षा अवधिमा केही पाइँदैन। घर ऋण तिर्ने चिन्ता छ।
Since you have children, you may be eligible for Family Tax Benefit Part A during the waiting period. If you're in serious financial hardship, you can also apply for an emergency payment.
आवेदनको लागि के कागजात चाहिन्छ?
You'll need identification, a driver's license or passport, your bank account details, a separation certificate from your former employer, and your income tax return. Do you have a MyGov account?
छ। अनलाइन आवेदन हुन्छ। सानो बच्चा भएकाले बारम्बार आउन गाह्रो।
Yes, you can complete most of it through MyGov. I'll help you set it up today. I also need to explain the waiting period. There may be a 1-week wait before payments start.
धन्यवाद। एक्लै सम्हाल्नु पर्ने सोचेको थिएँ, राहत भयो।